Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a special video for you where we'll be sharing 5 top websites that can help you earn money online. So let's dive right in. First up, we have Swagbucks. This versatile platform allows you to earn by taking surveys, watching videos, and shopping online. It's a great way to make some extra cash in your spare time. Next, we have DOLLARSPROUT. This website is perfect for those who want to turn their skills into a freelance business. Offer your services like graphic design or writing to a global audience and set your own rates. Moving on, we have Gathering Dreams. This platform is all about connecting with clients seeking various services, from programming to marketing. Build a portfolio and secure ongoing projects to grow your freelance business. Now, let's talk about GIGWORKER. This website is perfect for those who want to monetize their crafts. Sell handmade or vintage items to a worldwide customer base and watch your business grow. Last but not least, we have Amazon Mechanical Turk. This platform is ideal for those who want to complete simple tasks like data entry or content moderation for quick earnings. It's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. So there you have it, folks. 5 top websites to help you earn money online. Remember, these platforms can be a great way to make some extra cash, but it's always important to manage your time and finances wisely. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, happy earning!